What up, fool? Hey, what's good, YouTube world? My name is Bubba Guy Beats, and I'm gonna show you how to grow your YouTube in 2021. Let's go. All right, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna do this by using TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension that's gonna help you with your YouTube videos. So first off, if you uploading YouTube videos using your phone, stop. Start using the computer. And you want to use Google Chrome, and you go to TubeBuddy.com and sign in, and you can just add it to your browser. All right, so let's jump right in. Okay, so once you install TubeBuddy, you'll get this little handle here whenever you log into YouTube. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use TubeBuddy to try to rank higher in the search rankings. So we're gonna use Keyword Explorer, and we're gonna do a little homework first. So I go to Keyword Explorer, say I'm a rapper, and I'm gonna put out a new song. I'm just gonna say lyrical rapper. So if someone's searching for a lyrical rapper, I want to show up. So let's explore it. All right, and this is Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy. All right, so I got very good. So what that tells me is, by me using this, it will do good on my channel. And if I go here to unweighted, it won't be. It's not as good, but that's telling me how good that is doing in general. Okay. Okay, say this was bad or something. This wasn't good. We don't wanna use this. We wanna go over here and find something similar here in the right hand. So I would probably go lyrical rappers, to get a different result if that wasn't already very good. You see, this one was fair. See, if I would have started with this one, I would want to keep trying until I get other ones. So let's go back to lyrical rapper. I'm gonna try to make this quick for y'all. Okay, so very good. Okay, so we'll get out of there and we'll go back to TubeBuddy again. And this time we're gonna go to the SEO Studio. And the SEO Studio is gonna help you build your whole entire post from your title, your description, and your tags the right way. So I'll pick lyrical rapper. Let's get started. Over here on the right side here, it's telling you everything it wants you to do. So let me go ahead and get started with my title. I'll say pop out, and as a song title, and I'll just say Bubba Got Beats. And over here, it wants us to include our target keyword in the title, which we have done. It wants us to include 80%, which we have done. And it wants it in the first 200 characters, which we have done as well. So I'll go ahead and just uniform it a little bit, since this will be my title. Still want that to look nice. Okay, 80% of your keyword. Okay, so that's good. So the second part, it wants us to include partial matches in our description. So what I like to do is you always want to link people to where you're going first. So just say your IG, or if you have a website to the song, you put that there first. Your IG, and then I'll come down here. Fix that. It bothers me. Okay, now I'll come down here and just say I am a lyrical rapper from New York. You want to make this more interesting, but what we're doing here is we want to use that in a natural sentence. And you know what? I did that wrong. Let's go back. We want to split the words up. I am a, let me see. I am a rapper from New York, and my style is lyrical. Boom. So we included it in a natural sentence. There we go. Okay, and now you see over here, everything is green, and our score is 95. So that means we're gonna do good for this right here. So we'll go to next, and now we just wanna still always look over here and do what TubeBuddy wants you to do. And it says include your target keyword as the first tag, which we have done, and we'll include partial matches of the keyword. So it'll be like lyrical and rapper. Should do that. Yep. And then include relevant tags. And down here they always recommend you tags. And depending on what exactly your target keyword is, they may have more tags here and they may have less. So we'll go ahead and use some of their recommendeds first. It's not a type beat. So I don't want to use anything that's not related. So I'll lyrical versus mumble. Where's that one? Boom. Okay. And I'll just pick some related tags. New York rapper. One. Do it with an S. I always do it with an S and without an S. 21. Now we just want to do a lot of related tags so we can support that main tag. Lyrical rappers be like, I can use that. Okay, best rapper 2021. We want to keep using those words. Most lyrical. We basically just want to keep going until it's green. So right now it's green, and our score is 100%. So now we have built our entire post just the way TubeBuddy wants it. So we go to next. They have a tool where you can create a thumbnail, but we're not gonna do that at this time. But if I was uploading something, you can go to create thumbnail, and it will let you pause your video at a certain spot and use it as a thumbnail. So we'll just go ahead and go to next, and we're gonna just save it as draft. All right, so boom, lyrical rapper is now in my drafts. So if I just go to my channel. And when I get to my channel, over here, I have TubeBuddy again. And I simply go to SEO Studio again and load from draft. And all I have to do is hit this, and it will populate everything I did there in here. And I'm going to show you what it will look like. So when you go down here, this is what TubeBuddy will add to your YouTube. You don't see this now, but as soon as you install TubeBuddy, you'll see all this. And what these are my tags that we created, which are different, but it's the same. So that little green light here that says 4, that means if you type in instrumental beats on YouTube, this will be the 4th beat. And if you type in instrumental type beat, this will be the 3rd beat. And if you have, and you always want to sort your tags, so you can pick the best ones at the top. And what I like to do is, whichever the best one that's ranking, like instrumental type beat, I want to add more fire to it. So I'll come down here and add more stuff that has the word instrumental or type beat in it. And TubeBuddy makes it easy for you. You just go down here, and I just click the plus sign, piano type beat. Since this is a piano type beat, and boom, it just populates in there. And if you're a producer, you use the same exact process. Like if you want to do Pop Smoke type beat, you would do the same thing. You would start here at the top, go to Keyword Explorer, and you would just research it first. Pop Smoke type. Oh, sorry. There it goes. Pop Smoke type beat. And look, it already tells me my channel would do poor if I did this. And if I go to unweighted it shows me that the competition is very high for everyone. You know what I'm saying? So what we would do is just go over here. We want to find something similar where we can do better. See, boom, I went to Pop Smoke Type Beat 2021, and now it's excellent. So then you would just go to SEO Studio, and you would do that same exact process, which would be Pop Smoke Type Beat 2021. All right. So I hope this helps you guys. If you have not installed TubeBuddy yet, see the link in my description, and you can go ahead and get that. I think that right now they're charging about $10 and $5 if you're under 1,000 subscribers. But it's also free as well. You don't need all of these tools. Like the Keyword Explorer is free, and you will get these. You will get this part here free as well, where you can go in and see your tags. So I hope this helped, guys.